Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell about AngularJS directives and AngularJS MVC architecture. Let's see one by one. AngularJS directives. The AngularJS framework can be divided into three major parts. First part is ng app. This directive defines and links an AngularJS application to HTML. Second part is ng-model. This directive binds the values of AngularJS application data to HTML input controls. Last part is a ng-bind. This directive binds the AngularJS application data to HTML tags. Now, AngularJS Model View Controller architecture. MVC stands for Model View Controller. It is a software design pattern for developing web applications. It is very popular because it isolates the application logic from the user interface layer and supports separation of concerns. You can see here diagram, event, controller, view, model. These three parts. Model. It is responsible for managing application data. It responds to the request from view and to the instructions from controller to update itself. Models are used to represent your data. It is simple JavaScript object without any getter and setter method. Use primitive data type such as number, string, boolean, object, etc. Second part is view. It is responsible for displaying all data or only a portion of data to the users. It also specifies the data in a particular format triggered by the controller's decision to present the data. They are script-based template systems such as JSP, Java Server Page, ASP, Active Server Page, PHP, Personal Home Page, and very easy to integrate with Ajax technology. The third part is controller. It is responsible to control the relation between models and views. It responds the user input and performs interactions on the data model objects. It represents the layer that has the business logic. The controller receives input, validates it, and then performs business operations that modify the state of the data model.